I'll fight you for it.
Hey. Ты что такое?
When you've been chasing your dog for 20 minutes just for a man to come rope her in 5 seconds.
Oh my god! Oh.
Love each other!
Excuse me, sir. I think your cat's broken.
It's good. It's okay. It's okay. What's wrong with this? Oh God!
Tanner, just run in here.
Try T-bone.
Oh shit.
Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Can I have another? Oh, you're gonna break them. Thank you.
Huh? Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with shit.
Alright, so where do I start? God, there's a huge bear at the back. Oh my god, are you serious?
Hey!
Get out!
Get out of here!
Get out! Oh my.
Did I just witness a murder?
What the heck?
How would you feel if I clipped your nails? Can I clip your nails?
Damn. Damn, boy. Damn, boy! He's there!
Oh! Did I catch that? Cheers.
Yummy?
Hey, 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 right here. Get it. Oh!
Get it. Well, fight.
I don't know how that happened.
Opens my door and then you just have the nerve to sit there like this. You pay rent? You pay rent? Okay.
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory is that he's stupid.
Nope. Come on, see. Oh shit.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
You feed them, you raise them, you send them to school, and they're still stupid!
Tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me.
What did you do to yourself?
Oh, look at you, little tiny kitty, little tiny baby kitty. Ow! Curse your tiny kitty!
Olive, are you ready to get your nails trimmed?
Do it. Do it. She wants all this attention. Do it.
Peekaboo, I found you. Where are you? Peekaboo, I see you. Where am I? Here I am.
Опять? Камила, лови! Что случилось? Украл.
No, we ain't doing this again. Wait, you're not sneaky. Wait. We ain't doing this again. You're not getting my feet this time.
You're really doing it, aren't you? You're shitting in the street.
No?
I would like to know why there's a Cheeto on your bed.
Nini, Kiki, load up.
Good girl, good job.